Intellectual property ethics and compliance are crucial in automated digital products. They ensure creators' rights are respected, fostering innovation and trust in the digital marketplace. By protecting original ideas and creations, we encourage individuals and organizations to invest time and resources into developing new technologies and content. This dynamic not only benefits creators, but also consumers, who gain access to a diverse range of products and services. Adhering to intellectual property laws prevents potential legal issues that can arise in the dynamic digital landscape. Misuse or misappropriation of intellectual property can result in costly lawsuits and damage a company's reputation. Understanding and complying with these laws promotes fair use, allowing for proper attribution and acknowledgement of original works. This balance is critical for fostering an environment of respect where creativity can flourish. This understanding is vital for navigating digital content licenses, such as Creative Commons, GNU General Public License, and proprietary licenses. Each license defines specific usage rights and restrictions, guiding users in how they can engage with the material legally and ethically. By comprehending these licenses, creators can share their work responsibly while protecting their rights. Digital content licenses are crucial for managing rights in the ever-evolving digital landscape. They help creators, artists, and developers protect their work while allowing others to use and build upon it. Creative Commons licenses offer flexibility, allowing creators to specify which rights they reserve and which they waive, making it easier for people to share and collaborate legally. This encourages creativity and access to knowledge for everyone. The GNU General Public License is another vital tool that supports open source projects. It ensures that software remains free for all users and gives people the freedom to use, modify, and distribute the software as they see fit. This license fosters innovation by allowing developers to build on each other's work without starting from scratch. Proprietary licenses are more restrictive in nature. They often require payment for use and limit users' ability to modify or distribute the software without explicit permission. While these licenses provide greater control to the creator, they can hinder collaboration and innovation in some cases. Understanding the differences between these types of licenses can empower creators to make informed choices about how their work is shared and used in the digital world. Proper attribution is essential for fostering trust in the digital community. When sharing content, it is crucial to clearly state the source, author, and license associated with that content. This practice not only provides credit, but also respects the original creators and their work. Additionally, ensure that the attributions are visible and accessible to your audience. This means placing the information in a prominent location where viewers can easily see it. Being transparent about where your content comes from fosters a sense of reliability and integrity within the community. Furthermore, applying a consistent standard across all products is important. Whether it is websites, videos, or social media posts, maintaining uniformity in how you attribute sources helps to reinforce the principles of honesty and respect. Finally, it is essential to maintain detailed records of licensed content and their specific terms of use. Keeping track of these details not only supports ethical practices, but also protects you against any potential legal issues. Responsible reuse involves leveraging existing content with proper licenses to create unique, value-added products. This process entails reviewing available materials, understanding their licensing, and using them in a way that respects the original creator's rights. By doing this, we can ensure that the end product is both innovative and legally sound. In contrast, outright automation risks producing generic, low-quality outputs with minimal human oversight. When we rely solely on automation without human intervention, there is a danger that the content may lack depth and creativity. This mechanical approach can lead to repetitive and uninspired results that do not resonate with the audience. Ethical automation should enhance quality instead of compromise it. It is vital to implement systems that not only streamline production, but also prioritize creativity and originality. Emphasizing human creativity alongside automation can lead to outputs that not only meet compliance standards, but also engage and inspire the audience effectively. Additionally, fostering collaborations between technology and human insights can result in richer, more diverse content. By integrating diverse perspectives and approaches, we can elevate the overall quality of the work, ensuring it is both innovative and meaningful. Unchecked automation risks diluting product value, making offerings generic and less engaging. When products and services lose their uniqueness, customers may feel that they are no longer receiving the quality they once expected. This can lead to a decline in customer loyalty and satisfaction. Legal complications can arise from potential copyright infringements and misuse of licensed content, leading to lawsuits. Companies must be cautious in their use of automated systems to ensure they are not unintentionally violating intellectual property rights, which can result in costly legal disputes and damage their reputation. Brand harm follows, with negative public perception and loss of trust due to ethical lapses or low-quality outputs. When automated systems produce subpar results or create malfunctions, it not only frustrates customers, but also tarnishes the brand's image. Companies must prioritize quality and accountability in their automated processes to maintain consumer trust and brand integrity. Establishing a robust compliance framework begins with mapping every piece of intellectual property used across your product ecosystem. Implement automated license verification tools that scan code repositories, media libraries, and third-party integrations for license types, expiration dates, and usage restrictions. Supplement these scans with periodic manual audits, cross-referencing source documentation, vendor contracts, and attribution requirements to catch any edge cases or false positives that machines may miss. Maintain a centralized compliance dashboard where scan results, audit logs, and remediation tickets are visible to all stakeholders, ensuring accountability and transparency. Embed quality control checkpoints into your CI/CD pipeline that trigger human reviews whenever new content or code is committed, validating originality, adherence to style guides, and proper attributions before release. Schedule regular consultations with legal experts, ideally on a quarterly basis, to review evolving intellectual property regulations, adjust licensing strategies, and update internal policies in response to industry trends or regulatory changes. Finally, document all compliance activities, from automated alerts to legal opinions, in a searchable knowledge base. This not only safeguards your organization against infringement risks, but also builds customer trust by demonstrating a commitment to ethical product development and respect for creators' rights.